YouTube? What's going on? Mr. Potato here. Got a YABO for you. It would be from, if you don't know who that is, that would be Briar bird. So it would be a pipe. Let's see what we got. The gift bag with the card. From Jason. Then we got, I believe it's a sticker. Then the goods. It's all wrapped up. I'll set you there while I open this up. While I'm doing this, just to remind everybody, contest is still going on. We still got a couple days to sign up. It ends this weekend, I believe on the 27th is your last day to sign up for it. So everyone needs to hurry up and get their entries in and win some free tobacco. All you gotta do is make a funny story, or tell me a funny story, not make one, which everyone can do. Alright, so time for the pipe. Alright, here we go. There it is. Let me see if I can. Here's the top of it. It's got a short stem. See if I can get it to focus better for you. And then it also has it has another stem in here. This is called his brown thrasher. Comes with a 2-stem system in it, which I believe it's only pipe I know of that comes with 2 stems. I'll sit you down again for a minute. Let you look at the pipe. Didn't know it was going to be so well wrapped. And then here is the longer stem. So you got the nose warmer, and then you can make it a billiard. So I prefer the nose warmer. I think it looks really cool with it. But I really love that stem, just the design on it. It looks really good. So got a really good draw. That's pretty deep bowl. Goes all the way down to the middle of my finger there. So Jason, thank you. Very happy. Love the pipe. Can't wait to break it in. So I'll make a review video once I get it in. Alright guys, that's it. Bye.